Good morning, friends. It's a pleasure to really let you know that AQ Skill Academy has organized a class on five element theory, and I assure you, this five element theory class, which will be conducted by me, will be something, it will be revealing many things which we never cared to know or we didn't know. For example, do we know where do we get the chi from in the two meridians, the Sanjiva meridians, the triple warmer meridian and the pericardium meridian? All this and many more things in depth I shall tell you what. But let me introduce myself first. I am KK Mishra. I hail from Allahabad. I am an MTech from IIT Kanpur, and I am in this business of acupressure, acupuncture for over 20 years now. I have been teaching also. I have 5 books on acupressure to my credit, and I have pondered a lot about the 5 element theory. Instead of going to learn point by point their functions, their pathology, I have seen that if we really know everything about 5 element theory, we can treat more or less all disorders through only 72 points. That is 6 points to 1 meridian, that is 12 multiplied by 6, 72. Right? We ought to know the real thing. What is acupressure, acupuncture? People have defined in so many ways. Let me tell you, acupressure, acupuncture is only to regulate the generation and distribution of chi. Do we know the total mechanism of generation? Can we really regulate the quality as well as the quantity of chi? Can we increase the quantity of chi generated by an organ, or can we really only have the total quantity of chi same with quality difference? How can we achieve it? Right? And then at every element point, the chi which is accumulated, do we think that the chi at a particular point, for example, say chi at metal point, will it always behave as metal energy only, the energy of the metal phase? No, it's not so. The same chi which is accumulated at metal point can behave as fire in different circumstances. It can behave like water in another circumstances. It can behave like wood in a different circumstances. Unless we know all this, we cannot use 5 element theory. How many of us have been using 5 element theory for everything? Probably none. Very, very few. Those who have learnt, of course, from me, now they are using it. How they are using? They are selecting only out of the 72 points. This way I will tell you. In these classes I will tell you that. I will let you know. You see, have we ever questioned that the yin chi, which is heavier than yang chi, this is flowing in the yin meridians from bottom to top? How come? And the lighter chi, which is yang chi, is coming from top to bottom. How? Have we ever questioned? All these answers I shall give you. Now, the organ clock, we know that for 2 hours there is a flood of chi in every meridian. How? Do you know that? No, that is not true. The meridians are breathing like we are breathing. They are breathing the chi. So how and when they exhale? And if we know that the chi is going out and the chi is coming in at some time, one after the other, then will this make a difference in our treatment also? And what will be the effect? All this we are going to learn. We are also going to learn how to manipulate the quantity and quality of chi. We are also going to learn how we can manipulate the direction of flow of chi and the rate of flow of chi by knowing how to tonify the chi at a point or sedate a point. There are three methods for tonification and for three methods sedation. Unless we know that chi at a particular point can behave in so many different ways, in different circumstances, we should not claim that we know five element theory. All this and much more we are going to learn. Please join me the classes which are going to start from 12th of this month for 7-8 days. Please join and learn this and question. We will have discussions also every day. We will have question answer sessions every day, so you will be free to ask many questions which may be in your mind already and you have never been able to get answers. You will get all answers, I assure you. So welcome you all and see you all in the class.